Unreal 5.2 finally released with all of its good feature and new features. If you love new technologies, this is gonna be the holy grail. Oh my god, there's a lot of things to cover. Let's talk about it. The first major feature of Unreal 5.2 is substrate materials, a new material framework that allows developers to achieve highly realistic materials using layered materials and different shading models. Oh my god, if you see the demo, with these new features, developers can create complex materials such as the one you see here on the body of these trucks, featuring a multi-layer material supports. The base layer material controls the iridescence, reflection, and refraction, while the top layer material features a polished surface that realistically simulates the way light is absorbed when it travels through the layers of its material. These new frameworks offer a high level of flexibility and controls, allowing developers to tweak and customize their materials to suit their specific needs. Plus, substrate materials offer excellent performance, enabling the rendering of highly detailed and complex material with ease. Oh my god, Unreal 5.2 is pushing more forward towards a more realistically looking stuff. No matter if it is a game, a virtual production, or a simply animation rendering. Right? It is pushing toward that super highly realistic, maybe hyper realistic type of level. And not just that, substrate can make such as liquid on a metal or dust on a clear coat, and this feature open up a new possibility for creating realistic material for every user. Next, we got the procedural world building tools. This new suite of procedural world building tools empowering artists to create stunning environments using procedural assemblies. Procedural assemblies are a group of meshes that dynamically and procedurally populate the environment. This toolset offers a high level of flexibility and controls over the environment creation process, allowing developers to quickly and easily create immersive environment, large-scale environment with very little repetition, with rich and dense populated environment. The toolset includes features such as foliage placement, terrain sculpting tools, and dynamic lighting tools, enabling developers to create rich and detailed environment with this. Just like I said before, the entire scene you see here was procedurally generated using these powerful tools, and this comes straight from the Unreal guys. Another feature introduced to Unreal 5.2 is Fab, a new built-in asset library and website that allows artists to sell and publish 3D model assets and content. If you've been using Unreal before, this is like a Quixel Bridge plugin where you can browse and import straight from the plugin. And so here they expanded into every single assets you can think of into one simple all-in-one marketplace. While Fab is coming with Unreal 5.2, Fab is not only limited to Unreal Engine, but it's also available to other 3D programs, providing artists and developers worldwide with a one-stop shop for all their assets. Now, virtual production also get an upgrade, such as the virtual production toolset for filmmaking using Unreal Engine. There's a new iOS app that offers better control and a range of changes to enhance the production process. And for the Mac user, Unreal Engine 5.2 offers a native support for Apple Silicons, including M1 and M2 chips. This means better performance, power conservation, and overall stability. And we haven't even touched on machine learning deformer sample, right? Because you can easily create a very realistic movement with it, like a character muscle moving inside of their skins, body shaped in a shirts or pants or their costumes. Unreal Engine 5.2 really brings a lot of things. This is not everything. This is a very little on everything. This is just the major update, the biggest of the biggest. You can read about everything else in the link I give you in the description, or you can see here on the video some of the examples. So yeah, go check out the 5.2 and then go try it out by yourself. So yeah, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you like the videos, and comment down below for any question you have. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!